Hey y'all, hope all is well. Took the big old van out today. 5 county lines and back. But, someone got me a wood stove. It's a little bit larger than I was expecting. But I'm pretty sure once that box, counter, cabinet, whatever is out of here, I can just make a spot over there for it to be. And I got a wood stove for the van. Messed with someone on Facebook about one, and we come to a good agreement on price. I got it for a great deal, and so went and scooped up my brother. Thanks, Todd, for riding with me. And we just went for a ride. Took about 3.5 hours round trip, but it was worth it to me. Plus, I got some more miles with this van's driver's seat under me, and she's doing very well. I'm very pleased with the big old van. And now I have a wood stove to put in it. Yay. Anyway, I'm going to go for now. I hope all is well, and until next time, happy trails.